the day, a couple of days after Christmas, and I'm gonna be tearing down all of my Christmas decorations. Oh, what fun it is to ride. So sad. But I just came from the FedEx store and got my package from Z Gallery. All right, I just got back from the FedEx store. Went to go pick up my package. I gotta record this on camera because I don't know if anything's broken. Since I already filmed my house tour holiday edition video, I'll be able to put these, and since I'm still editing it, I'll be able to put that in the video. They completely bubble wrapped everything. It's pretty dark in the house. It's that time where it's like uncomfortable if I were to turn on the lights because you could see in the house. Charger. They only sent me one. Got it for a really good deal because now the prices are back up to like $120. That's weird. It says 4 pieces. Okay. So this is what they look like. So pretty. One, oh, that's only 3. 2 and 3. Okay, cute. Now my table is complete. I'm gonna remove the Christmas decorations and I'll see how it's gonna look. Craig and Aunt said you're gonna love it.
Only if it's golf. Oh, y'all must want me to stay gone. I like that. Now that's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
Something
yes.
to keep you warmer in the winter.
Yes. Oh, I need to take a picture of this.
Electric golf cart heater.
I almost froze last time.
Your buddy's gonna get salty.
How often are you gonna use that though?
Don't know, but hey, I need it.
Finished doing her lashes. We've got to go through all of these, take all the batteries out. And these kids here. Hey, Hugh Hefner. Oh, let me see your new earrings from TikTok. Oh, are these it? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice, nice. Your ears don't hurt anymore? How is Lexi? Have you figured out a name for Lexi?
It'll just be Lexi.
Lexi Silver, or you can call her Sylvie.
And the colors actually starts with an I.
If you get a gold card,
Yeah, Idrim. I love Idrim.
Itty. Craig calls his Lexi. Oh, are those the shoes you got for Christmas?
Yeah, these are my
Oh, those are cute.
these are my first A6.
Oh, wow. Okay, yep. Ants is hot.
Anthony likes how I have them laced.
Oh, how come?
I'm an old lady.
Yeah.
Trying to be young. So
Okay. What pants are those?
these are, I don't know.
Outfit of the day. She's got her Lulu. Okay. I'm gonna watch you get out to the car. Oh. Ooh. Yes. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
bring in my Christmas decorations. Whoa. I gotta figure out how to make it more sturdy, but it's kind of cool. Oh, actually, it looking like that is kind of cool because it looks like it's bent or like a curve. Cool. The last box, I'm gonna put ornaments, put our Christmas stuff in these. Gotta unplug the stuff. Timber! Secret Santa gift.
Oh, I like that. This for upstairs?
Wherever you want.
Oh, let me go try this up. Oh, thank you. Don't get that on.
This is his man cave.
Nat Hunter Cave.
Oh, okay, it's pretty big. You gotta make it. It's okay. Oh my gosh. So close. I found something else.
No, bro.
Oh, I thought you've seen those videos that do that.
Ooh, I hear it.
The air.
Girl, I'm scared.
Oh my! Whoa!
What? Wait. Okay, what do I do? Oh, is it a blanket?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Vicky.
And you said brown was your theme,
Yes,
so.
I was gonna say, I love this color. Oh,
How
I
cute.
love it. Oh my gosh, I'm watching Stranger Things in it tonight.
Oh, yay!
Oh, Vicky, it's beautiful.
Cute. Yeah, it's like the new, well, I've seen it all over.
Well, howdy, howdy. It is New Year's Eve, taking down my last piece of Christmas decor that I have in the house. Can you believe it? I'm not rushing. I actually went through all the things I didn't want, things that were crappy, things that were okay. This Christmas year, I actually have an organized Christmas situation. I made these boxes. My sister, she's like a really good MacGyver, and I had these two boxes. They had openings on the end, and she was like, cut slits on one end and then fold them, and so now I have a spot for my sticks. So I'll show you what I'm using it for. I do have more sticks. I just didn't want to buy any more bags, and this box is really good quality. So I'm going to lay all of these ornaments in here, and I'm gonna leave them all upstairs instead of bringing it downstairs in the garage. Follow along. Look at the daylight. Watch. When we're finished, we'll see if it's still daylight. Hopefully it is.
quietest Costco has ever been. It's good. Okay, we gotta go. Costco's closed. They're gonna close the door. Wow, the last grocery shopping of 2025. This guy here wants to hurry up and go watch his Stranger Things.
No, I get out. I get out. I do not play. Friday night, I'm out with the guys. You already got me by surprise.
Wait, when did we get these?
I ain't grab.
Who grabbed these?
Not me.
Whoa.
I guess, man.
Where's the receipt, Hunter?
It's in here.
Okay.
You already got me 5 times.
We've got 1 more hour to go. Finishing up with my laundry. I have a lot of clothes that I gotta fold. I can see the view of all the fireworks. Yep. Can you hear that? I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope everyone has had a great 2025, and I hope that you guys all have a great start to your 2026. I am going to continue vlogging. I do plan to do something different this year, so I hope I will have time, but I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlogs that I have tried to be consistent with. Every Vlogmas, I always try to be consistent. So if you guys like these multiple day vlogs, I hope you guys do enjoy them. Hopefully you guys will all have a happy new year wherever you are, whatever time it is, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and please share my videos. Finally finished folding all my clothes. Now we're gonna go outside. There's like 5 more minutes left. It's been such a nice view. I can't believe it. 2026. Can't even. Wow. You don't need to go nowhere. We just stay right here. Careful, Hunter. Oh. Jeez. It's everywhere. Ooh. Close.
Let's do cheers, all right?
Cheers. Cheers. It's good, huh?
Tastes like apple juice.
Mm-hmm.